Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo XC40 and Polestar 2. We'll explore their core differences, from their powertrains to their overall design philosophies, helping you decide which vehicle best suits your lifestyle. The XC40 provides versatile engine options, including a plug-in hybrid, while the Polestar 2 is exclusively electric. We'll delve into how these fundamental distinctions impact driving experience, practicality, and overall ownership. When it comes to performance, the Volvo XC40 provides a spirited drive with its various engine options, including a powerful mild hybrid. The Polestar 2, being an all-electric vehicle, offers instant torque and impressive acceleration, especially in its dual-motor configuration. Range is a key differentiator, with the Polestar 2 providing substantial electric mileage, whereas the XC40 electric range is limited to its plug-in hybrid variant. Inside, both the XC40 and Polestar 2 showcase modern Scandinavian design, emphasizing clean lines and quality materials. They share the intuitive Google built-in infotainment system, offering excellent navigation and app integration. While the XC40, as an SUV, generally provides more traditional cargo flexibility, the Polestar 2 cleverly utilizes its electric platform to offer a practical front trunk in addition to its rear storage, making both highly functional. When considering the investment, the Polestar 2 typically starts at a higher price point than the XC40, but it may qualify for certain electric vehicle incentives, potentially lowering its effective cost. The XC40 offers a range of trims, providing flexibility for different budgets and powertrain preferences, from gasoline to plug-in hybrid. For those looking to make meal prep easier, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals we've found for you. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.